Are you a student looking to earn money online without skipping classes or getting overwhelmed? In this video, I'll show you 10 legit ways to make money online in 2025. No experience required. Let's get started. Freelancing is the easiest way to start earning online. If you can write, design, or type fast, you can sell your skills on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Start small, learn as you go, and build your portfolio. Are you good at math, English, or any subject? Start online tutoring. Use platforms like Preply and Chegg Tutors, or teach juniors via Zoom or WhatsApp. You're helping others while making money. If you enjoy being creative, try content creation on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Talk about student life, money tips, or entertainment. As your views grow, you can earn from ads, brand deals, and affiliate links. Affiliate marketing lets you earn money by recommending products. When someone buys through your link, you get paid. Sign up on Amazon, Jumia, or Expertnaire. Promote using your bio, blog, or WhatsApp status. Turn your lecture notes, templates, or ebooks into digital products. Sell them on Gumroad, Payhip, or Solar. Make it once, sell it forever, even while you sleep. Design t-shirts, mugs, or journals without ever printing them yourself. Use Canva to design and platforms like Redbubble or Teespring to sell. No upfront cost and no inventory. For simple tasks, try Swagbucks, iSense, or Taluna. Answer surveys, click ads, or do small online jobs. It's not huge money, but it's perfect for your spare time. You can sell trending products without buying stock up front. Set up a dropshipping store using Shopify plus AliExpress, or import items from 1688 through local agents. Smart students turn this into a real business. Businesses need help managing their social pages. If you know how to use Canva, post content, or reply to messages, offer social media management. Charge per week or per project. Virtual assistant work is great for students. You can manage email, schedule meetings, or do research from anywhere. Find gigs on LinkedIn, Internshala, or Remote OK. And there you have it. 10 proven ways for students to make money online in 2025. Pick one, learn it, and be consistent. Which one will you try first? Comment below and let us know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and